At this point, thousands of residents here in New Providence, Grand Bahama, Abaco and Eleuthera have taken the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, forcing the need to expand the program in the very near future. With demand high, Carla Palmer tells us which family islands are next on the list.
Acknowledging the recent increases of positive COVID cases in the country, Minister of Health, the Honourable Renwood Wells, says he and his team are taking the necessary precaution against a third wave.
Well, we do have a very aggressive surveillance unit that is following up on the cases, the contacts, giving the advice to persons that they should quarantine if they've been in contact with an individual. We're testing folks who are symptomatic, and so we're doing all of the things that we did in the Ministry of Health to get our hands around our second wave to ensure that the country does not enter a third wave.
Some 15,000 persons have been inoculated with the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine so far. Minister Wells is hoping that as more persons are vaccinated, the number of infections decrease. Harbour Island and mainland Eleuthera have been identified by health officials as COVID-19 hotspots.
We would have vaccinated Harbour Island in North Eleuthera, and we're putting additional security measures in place so that we can then move to vaccinating all of mainland Eleuthera. And so we're doing the same thing in Abaco. And so we will be able to start this Thursday in Abaco. And then by the weekend, the Abaco, I believe by the weekend, the Abaco Keys. But I know certainly mainland Abaco this Thursday. I'm not exactly sure the quantum that will be going there. But we will be seeking to vaccinate those persons for whom the committee would have laid out the guidelines as to who can step forward and receive the vaccine.
Minister Wells says recent consideration was given to opening the vaccination process further to the public, but that had to be pulled back for now to ensure sufficient doses for those residents already with appointments.
Even for the individuals that we have already decided can receive the vaccine, some of their appointments are into May for the amount of persons who've actually gone on and used the platform, because we're only vaccinating folks who would have gone through the digital platform. We had a circumstance in Grand Bahama where we had to step back and suspend the vaccination program just briefly to ensure that everyone was actually using the digital platform to be vaccinated.
With the COVID-19 vaccination rollout in progress, Minister Wells says he does not foresee any further measures of restrictions implemented as it relates to the health and safety protocols. Carla Palmer, ZNS Network News.